Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Perpetual Joseph, as you all already know. So guys, that's aside. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about frontals. You know, right? Like, I've been wanting to do videos about frontals for a very long time, but I was waiting to see like a very great frontal I'm really impressed with, and I finally found one. So in this video, we're going to be talking about like the most glueless install you can ever have. In fact, I don't like to put it as install because you're basically not going to be installing anything, but let's just still call it install. You know, when you see most people say glueless on Instagram, I get to realize that most of these stylists, they are just trying to say, oh, maybe you tend to use like free spray or something, or styling moves to hold down, but like not something that on a day when you don't really have those time you can just wear it and just go. So then I'm going to be showing you guys the two different ways really that you can rock this glueless wig. I'm going to go ahead show you guys the wig. I haven't been rocking it. It's from Gatsby's wigs. I used it in my previous videos if you've seen. So this is the wig. It's actually a much higher texture of hair. I guess that's why it came with this kind of lace, but then this is the lace, guys. Like, I just bleached it, and yeah, this is it. I installed it on Sunday because I wanted to use it Sunday and Monday, and I wanted to pack it up in a style which I think is the style I used as a thumbnail for this video. But then I could just wear this wig, like this is it here. So guys, can you see? Like, I could literally just wear this wig and not think of baby hairs or anything, just put it even like this and go out without stressing myself. Like, this is the main thing, is it's holding, it's not loose, it's not falling off my hair. Like, can you see? This is one way that you can say, okay, it's a glueless wig. Now the second way is what I'm going to show you guys. There are three different ways, because of course you can install this. The main thing that makes a wig glueless is from the wig. It's not from this, from the way it is wig and cut and banded. That's how a glueless wig, one thing it is that you must always have a band. You understand? So now you see this, I just want this. So if you have anything, you just arrange this and or you can even put them up. But then, let's say you have big things and you want to upslay your wig. So this is it, right? I don't know. Hopefully I'll zoom in for more view. This is it. First of all, the placements are always on point. They're always there, even if you're not really use them or not. So one thing that should be your best friend is maybe a gel or a hold, like a gel-like hold that has a very strong hold, so that you don't have to be doing baby hairs every day. Honestly, because if I brought to baby hairs, I actually just use them and go out. For the sake of this video, I'm going to do it again. So you see how small I carried, right? What I'm doing now is just arranging my baby hairs. Guys, honestly, I almost forgot I was doing a video, but then okay, so now I'm actually done with all my baby hairs. You can see this side and you can see this side. Like, basically this side I didn't even need to do it. I legit just retain the old baby hairs. And I didn't even stress myself because the style I'm doing today is definitely going to cover that side. So you know, why am I stressing myself? Anywho, so when you're done with doing your baby hairs, you're going to carry, this is like my scarf, my regular home scarf, but you can actually use like a band, or if you have the actual silk bands for them, you can actually just fold your scarf like this and just band the sides. So you just hold it tight. So now this is what some people do before they now start their makeup, but me, I'm not, you know, I'm not that kind of, my old shoulder keeps coming up. I don't know why. Anyway, I really can't do that. I don't know how to do that. So my own is makeup, then we install hair, because me, I don't know. I've checked out all the ways, and then it feels really annoying because once you're done installing the hair, when you remove this band you get to put, right, then you start seeing those lines. I don't even see what they show you on the internet is really not true. I know I'm also on the internet, but I want to guess I'm one of the few honest people on the internet. But okay. So yeah, we just band it. Me, I'm not going to take this for long. I'm not going to leave it for like 1 minute, just for because I'm using this glue. If I was using gel, I will have. Okay, no, gel, you hold it longer because gel is even weaker. So this is another way. Then the third way is actually to just install it with glue, which, okay, yeah, is a glueless wig, meaning, okay, even when it comes off you can keep wearing it. But then this is like the easiest, no glue. You either use your gel. Why I always use this as gel for my baby hairs is because if you use it right, this wig now I can wear it 7 other times without needing to put any, because it keeps getting sticky. Like once you put water on it to get a little sticky, so you just place it back, band it, and go out again. But if it's gel, you must keep using gel over and over and over again. So you can use gel, but for me this is my choice. So I'm just going to go ahead. So yes guys, see, one of the secrets to a beautiful frontal is like the frontal itself. What kind of frontal are you buying? I remember the first time I approached this person about frontal, and then she told me the price, and I was like, what? God, this money can buy me a 22-inch frontal. Why is a 12-inch frontal this expensive? And she was like, oh no, it's the type of frontal, plus it's the texture of the hair on the frontal, you know, and all that. So when she told me, I was like, I know, me, I don't think I'm ready for this and all that. But then as something told me, like, why not buy for it to be this expensive? Because on a normal day, these wigs are not expensive, you know. Why not buy it? And honestly, like, that's one of the best decisions I made in this life, because how about just take a look. We didn't even use any glue, because you know when you actually use glue, it helps to absorb the lace, but we didn't use any glue for this. And here we're popping. I don't know why I'm feeling a little bit hot, like I should pack. Oh God, guys, see it even when it's packed, for God's sake. Yes guys, I have come to the end of this video. If you really think this video was very helpful, I really want to zoom in for you guys to take a closer look. So this is a glueless install, as you saw me do on camera. I don't go off camera to do any extra things. What you saw me do here, in fact I didn't even finish that glue that like I brought out, so maybe I'll just put the extra here. So yes guys, so I'm going to go out. I don't even know, I did all this makeup for you guys, seriously, because I'm actually going to the dentist place. My teeth broke and then like it's been paining me, or is it my tooth? It's been seriously paining me, so I just want to go and remove it, probably refill my teeth or something. But I have some errands to run for my business before I actually go for all these things. So period, that's what we're doing today. If you enjoyed this video, so make sure you share it, guys. Share to your friends, to your family, to your loved ones. Like and comment, guys. So I love you all, and I hope this is very helpful, so you can actually reconstruct your old wig to look like this.